curious people. So, I'm going to do another scrap marathon. I've got loads of different things to scrap out. Let's go and get your coat.
A blanket.
You can get a blanket. It's absolutely not that cold, but it feels cold. Yeah, got loads of different things to scrap out, bigger things, little things. So I just thought we'd just do it. But first, I had quite a few comments on my unusual way of the fact that I like to slice these open. And I just like it. I just love watching that slow-mo. But yeah, okay, so there is another way of doing these, which Ralph even said he was going to do a video potentially on the quick way. If I can just, I don't even know if you have to take them off this, but I will. He said you just bash it on the side. It's in my way, so I'm just going to snap this bit off. Right. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. Oh yeah, I see. Nice and quick. And then break the plastic off. Oh, okay, I give it. This is going to be more satisfying because I do love the curly locks that come. Oh, all right. Okay. Alrighty, baby. And then you unravel it. I mean, I'm not sure this is necessarily quicker. I think it probably is a bit quicker. Maybe I need to bash that in a little bit more. Oh, right. Okay, it's quicker because you bash it in. Well, that, I have to say, actually, that's satisfying. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. So there we go. Yeah. Okie dokie. Gotcha. And this is actually quite nice. So yeah, I concede. And this is what I love about scrapping and YouTube, is that you can do something for ages and learn something new, which is, I love it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm pretty sure I used to do it that way in my videos, but you know when you don't do something for a while and then you forget, and I quite like that central pin too. Nice. Oh. Okay, on to the next thing. But how could I forget? There you go, fella. You know, sometimes you come out to scrap and you just, I don't know, feel frustrated. That's better. Right, must remember to take that in to charge it. Right, let's do this steam cleaner and hope that I can get in, because if I can't, I think I'm going to have an absolute paddy. Would you like to see Sollers having a paddy? A paddy is what happens when I can't get into what I want to get into. Oh, but look, we have got the sensor thing for the Xbox. Maybe we'll get into there quickly. Well, as per, I don't seem to actually be able to get to the screws. So, I'll just give it an encouragement. Oh yeah, here we go. Basically just like, as I thought, a bit like a Wi-Fi card. Ooh, not bad at all actually. So inside these little sensors, you've got these gold plated connectors. You've got, we'll just have a little look, see what's under here. Got another gold band crystal oscillator. There, a bit smaller. Okay, another one there. So what a lovely little thing. And of course, we've got these beautiful little, oh, I think I just might have pulled all of mine out by mistake. So nice. And actually, if you look inside the antenna, quite often there's some nice bits in there as well. Oh, this is a different format. Yeah, okay, well that's not what I thought in there, but I've pulled some apart before and you've had nice things inside the antenna. I might have some here, but no. Oh, I forgot I had these. Haha. Interesting. Okay. So let's get that steam cleaner and cordage. Okie dokie. Right. Let's do some scrapping out. I would like to get inside this steamer because it's pretty heavy actually. So, oh, okay, this is all foreign. Interesting. Bouchon de sécurité. Tepo de sécurité. Safety cap. All right. These are all the different ways of saying safety cap. All right. Okay. So why? No idea. Always a little bit worrying when something looks so gross. Okay, well, we've got just a load of screws. Don't know what they are down there. So this is probably going to be fun, but they're probably torque screws. But we'll see. Ooh, I see aluminium, aluminium, aluminum, aluminium, it's aluminium. Let's see. Looks like it. Might have a nice chunk of aluminium in here, folks. But we'll see. Okay. So basically the next step is to get these 3 big, don't know what they are though, so let's try our luck, see what it feels like. Doesn't feel like it's going in at all. I'm just going to hazard a guess. Stick a T20 in here and see what happens. Oh look, this one's much closer, let's see. Oh no, it's not, it is just a screwdriver. Yes, okay, just a Phillips. Bit of a wibbly wobbly Phillips, but it's a Phillips all the same. Really? This is meant to be a chrome vanadium. Alright. Yep, there we go. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, I found a chrysalis this morning. I haven't found one of those for years, since I was a kid. So I decided I really must try and tidy up my patio. But, yeah. Right, let's see. Let's see here. Have I got those out enough? We're in. Fly. Oh. Ooh. Aluminium. 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 rubbish. But it does look a bit like a sun, doesn't it? Check this beast out. My gosh, no wonder it's so heavy. This is a chunk. Absolute chunky chunk. Lovely jubbly. Right, so I reckon somehow we've just got to get off that safety cap. Come on. There we go. Et voila. That's a beautiful tank. Actually, it looks like a face, which I shall show you in a minute. Well, this is well worth taking apart. This little steamer goodness. Just a little. Okay, let's get rid of the watery yuckiness. Oh, it looks like one of those island stone faces. I can't remember what they're called now. Oh, okay. I regret this decision. This is not what I thought. Yep, never thought you'd see me standing doing this, did you? A little bit of a follow-up jiggle. Okay, well, it's got soap in it, which I obviously didn't realise. This smells like nice soapy water. Right. Look. Look, he's even snorkeling. Oh, hello. Oh, oh, shocked face. Oh. Yeah, no, crack myself up. So, what I would do with this is, I don't think there is, so there's an element in there, but I'll just send it like it is, because it won't be of any benefit to me to get that element off, so I won't, basically. There we are. Take these from here, and these are the bits that obviously connect to the element. That's where the element is. Oh, actually, it's on the outside. Well, my yard will take that. There's a nice chunk of aluminium. Very nice indeed. Oh no! Oh no! It's having a bit of a dribble. Follow up dribble. Okay, so we've got some singles. That's about it really. And some detritus. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just see if I could move that down a bit. Thank you, darling. Yuck. I mean, why is there so much birdseed in this? What the hell's been... Oh, I don't even know. Scrap never ceases to amaze me, you know. There we go. He looks like a shocked face, doesn't he? Oh, look, that looks like another face. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. That looks like a skull. Doesn't it? Oh man, if I was already sand casting, I would use scrap like this, the plastic detritus, to actually make a sculpture. But I cannot afford the furnace and everything that comes with it at the moment, so it's still down the line, but it will happen one day. And good things come to those who wait. Oh, hello, mon ami. I just nearly chucked that away. We've got a nice chunk of brass in there. Yes, in about 20 minutes. Right. Oh, about an hour and 20 minutes. Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Yummy. Ooh, honeycomb. A bit of brassy goodness. Sweet. Well, in that case, you can go in there. Why, thank you. Okay. Oh yeah, there was one other little thing I was going to do. And that was see if I can get the little sunshine out. Get the little sunshine out. Little sunshiny flower. Yay! Oh. I sort of want that bit. There we go.
Coming in.
Flower. That can be made into something.
Coming in.
Well, that was good. I like that. That's okay, darling. So that make was Electrolux Enviro steamer. Yeah, this is why I love getting into different things, because you see all these beautiful things. Right, let's find something else. Okay, so I have got a broken, wet and mouldy Xbox 360 here. 250 gig hard drive. I don't recall if I've done 360 before or not. I mean, I would have thought so, but I can't really remember. I'm toying whether to do that or wait and do that with like a gaming comparison. I mean, we could do a little gaming comparison. I've got shed loads of broken PlayStations here. Whoa. So this is an old Sony PlayStation. They're battered, they're broken. I guess that's a PlayStation 1, because wouldn't it say PlayStation 2 on it? I don't really know. Why don't you do a little comparison? So this is a modern Xbox. Don't even know where the screw. I don't know if this. I don't think there's going to be screws under those feet.
Mum, where's Ivy and Rose?
Inside.
Inside.
Yeah, because of the shape of them. I think these are just literally grippy feet. So maybe that pops off. Excuse me, I'm sucking a mint. Haha. Indeed, that does pop off. Not that it reveals anything. No. Okay. There's a little tiny screw there. So, let's see. Oh, is that a little tiny torque screw? Yes. It's a 7. Okay. This is the hard drive carriage. Missed a screw. And then we've got some, gold pins in there. So that can go, actually a couple of those have come out, look. Only gold on the very tip. I've just managed to pretty much pull them all out of that thing. Which means I'm just going to put them in my own thing, aren't I? Actually, I can probably unplug it. Let's see if we can just pull the plug. Pull the plug. There we go. Gold in there. Gold on there. So that can both go into the gold. Not that, nothing left in there. Okay. Right, and then obviously there's a little hard drive in there. And here we have the box itself and about 1 million torque screws. Oh. Tens. So I will come back to you when I've removed all of these screws. Oh no, while I'm removing these screws, actually, I'm going to tell you I have hit my 3,000 subscribers. I couldn't quite believe it because, you know, I had 7 months of not being able to put out any content really whilst being in the hospital with Benny. What's the big one? Being so sick. And yeah, I've just tipped over the 3,000 subscriber mark, and it just, I mean, that astounds me. 3,000 of you like watching me. Granted, not every video, but it's what an honour. So I just want to say a huge thank you, very, very much. And thank you for just continued support and still helping me grow, and I really appreciate it. And on that note, if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate that too. It just really helps me out, basically. So yeah, thank you. I don't think I'm going to do anything for this milestone. I was going to before, but I haven't really got the capacity right now. I'm not making anything at the moment, so I can't promise any giveaways of stuff I've made because I just have not got time at the moment to do any resin whilst looking after such a poorly little one. But at some point I'll get back to the resin making and the sculptures, and I'll have loads of goodies ready which would be great. These ones aren't really undoing, which is a bit odd. These 4 here. That's smaller. Let's see, what size is this one? Not a 6. I think it'll be a 7. It's going to be an 8. Or a 9. Oh, where's my 8? There's an 8.
Mummy, you coming in?
Yeah, I'll be in 20 minutes. Let's try our luck. Yeah, so this one's an 8. Yeah, so thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. I really want to try and put some interesting content out for you. But at the moment, all I've got the capacity to do really is scrapping out stuff and maybe the odd scrap run. But I am, and obviously the dumps, the skip diving, I am putting an e-waste bin in the staff area at work tomorrow. So that will be exciting to see what we get. I wonder if there'll be a sudden influx where people are like, oh yeah, I've got this, and bring it in, and then not much, or whether it'll be steady or not much at all, I don't know. Yes, I'll be in 20 minutes. So yeah, we'll see. Right. Anyway, let me continue to try and get these screws out and I'll come back to you. Okay. Oh, that went for a ping. Just a little card. Interesting. What's that weird plastic thing? I can hear buzzing. So these 4 I can't undo, but they're not actually on the same. Let's try and get this shielding off to reveal the good stuff. Wow, nice heat sink. Okay. That's just steel. Okay. So the screws for this CD player are the other. Go up that way. I mean, crikey. Oh, Riley. Just got to try and get behind these fans.
You only need 2 tools, 1 WD-40 to make them go, 2 duct tape, and to make them stop right now.
That's right, darling.
Mummy's
okay.
touch of crisp hot right now.
Okay, so I got that off of the. I accidentally pressed the wrong button. I thought I was recording, I wasn't. So basically, I had to pry this out of here because it was so tight. It was unbelievably tight. Okay, so these are the 2 main chips. These green fibre sort of CPU types. Obviously there's gold corner BGA, there's other BGAs on here. In fact, there's quite a few BGAs on here. Crystal, some gold plated legs there. There's not really a huge amount on here, to be honest. Yeah, typically these aren't normally worth much, these chips, but
Can you come in?
loads of little MLCCs. Oh, that's interesting. What's this? This looks like a little tiny, like, gold cap fuse. Yeah. Alright, I suppose. Nothing to write home about. But we've got some aluminium. Very different, aren't they? Very different. So there we go. That was inside that Xbox. You got that little card there. Let's just see what the board on the CD drive looks like. Oh my gosh, tiny. Tiny board. Nothing to write home about. Again. Tiny little board. Obviously the usual motors in here. I can hear chattering in the background, apologies. There's people talking. There we go, we've got this. That looks like it's for a memory card slot. Hang on. Okay, well we've got some nice plated bits there. Oh, it's only on one side though, but for memory card or something. But yeah, bog standard. Doesn't even look like it's got brass pins. There are two little motors, which I used to take, but the time that would take me, not worth it right now. Okay, so let's open up the old PlayStation 1, which is going to upset quite a few people, I imagine. Probably not a lot in here, but we'll see. Not one here. Right, so we've got... Yeah, you can go on the computer.
I don't want to go on the computer.
Oh, okay. PlayStation. Model number there. Nothing exciting there. Okay. Here we are. Oh, I can... That hasn't come out very well. I missed one. Ooh, I can already see some nice ceramic capacitors on there though. Right, that's the... Okay. It's all covered up. It's all a surprise, folks. Now, in my opinion, older usually better, right? Okay. So those are, we've got memory card ports here and controllers. So you would think that you're going to have some gold pins or such in there. Oh, it's got that old electronic smell. Okie dokie. Right, so there's a gold connector there. We probably want to get into that, don't we? Keep that aside. Right. Ooh, okay. Well, that's a lovely board. Check this out. We've also got, oh no, I thought they might be brass risers, but they are not. See how much easier this was to get into than that modern Xbox. Oh look, we've even got some cordage on the back here. Some singles wires. You can see all this. See like corrosion here. But you've got some nice chunky ICs on the back of this board even. But look at the front. Hey, hey, hey. So you've got these main Sony chips here. They're huge. You've got a gold band crystal oscillator. Lovely jubbly. Huge ICs. Yeah, these ICs are really nice and chunky. Got a little bit of copper there. Obviously these are just the fronts that you can take off, and there's the gold bearing connectors as well. But yeah, I mean, let's compare. Microsoft 360 and a PlayStation 1, I think. I mean, what a difference. Small and mighty, big and pretty rubbish. So yeah, if I could get hold of more of those, I'd be happy. That's probably a £6 a kilogram board here. As an estimate, could be off on that. Could be off on that. But yeah, and then this old power board also looks very nice, and I would enjoy depopulating this one. So obviously there's the transformer in the middle, but these are what catches my eye. These nice older ceramic capacitors, not that old, but old enough to be good. You've got tiny little coils and things, fuse, MOSFET, not much aluminium, but obviously we did get aluminium earlier. That's obviously just steel, and so is that. But yeah, that was pretty sweet actually. Sort of loving the Xbox. Not Xbox, PlayStation 1. Okay guys, well, I'm going to have to call it a day there because time's getting on and I don't want to make too much noise out here. So yeah, I think the highlight for me was that PlayStation. Well, no, I did actually really like the aluminium in the steam cleaner. That was pretty nice. Well, thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Obviously, if I get time, I want to get back out doing some more here, to actually get to the stuff, find the good stuff for me to start scrapping out. Oh, if I'm lucky. But thank you for sticking with me. Really appreciate it. Love the comments and the messages about my quirkiness. Thank you so much. That's just me, and I love it. I can't help it. I'm a bit eccentric, but I think it's the best way to be, because who wants to be boring? Certainly not me. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Ooh.